Yeah, hi guys. As you just mentioned just a few moments ago, the judge finished up reading the jury their final instructions. So we are now officially on a verdict watch here in the Alex Jones defamation trial. They have been escorted to the deliberation room, and that is where right now they should be going through all of the different exhibits of evidence that they have seen over the course of this case, all in an effort to determine what amount in damages to award these 8 Sandy Hook families and the 1 FBI agent who are the plaintiffs in this case.
He is going to do this again.
10 years of emotional anguish.
He built a lie machine.
14 days of emotional testimony, summed up in 3 hours of emotional closing arguments.
It is your job to make sure he understands the extent of the wreckage he has caused.
But that emotion is exactly what defense attorney Norm Pattis argued to the jury can't be part of a fair, equal, and just decision under the law.
Sympathy, bias, and emotion don't play a role in a hearing in damages.
Arguments got personal when Pattis suggested plaintiffs' counsel were ambulance chasers.
It doesn't mean a thing here for the plaintiff's lawyers if it doesn't go ka-ching.
Even planting the seed that the Sandy Hook families were disingenuous.
Did they exaggerate some of the harm here?
Attorney Maddie made the moral argument,
Tell the truth.
humanizing his clients in a way he says Alex Jones never did.
They were real people. They have real stories. They've been building real lives.
Playing clips of Jones's veiled threats.
I am a precision-guided heavy munition coming in on top of you.
Clips that attorney Pattis rebutted don't tell the whole truth.
You've been shown the videos the plaintiffs selected that most proved their points.
Playing a clip of his own, showing Jones singing a different tune.
I'm not bringing it up. So I'm going to ask the families to actually look at what I've said.
Does that really sound like the kind of man who put a target on the family's back?
But attorney Maddie argued the proof is in the profits.
Look at the payoff. The payoff. The spike.
Alleging Jones executed a premeditated plan of attack.
As these families were living out their daily lives, Alex Jones was readying to pounce.
Attorney Mattis was also reprimanded by Judge Bellis during his closing argument for lofting personal attacks at the other attorneys. This jury will now have to decide if these Sandy Hook families are entitled to what is called compensatory damages for their emotional distress. Now, if they are awarded that, there is no monetary cap, or the jury could decide to award these families what is known as punitive damages. That is a much smaller set amount, plus court fees for the attorneys. We are again on a verdict watch. If and when that comes down today, we will bring that to you as soon as we can. We are live here outside Waterbury Superior Court. Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.